Kom igen! Okay. Happy New Year! It's a new year, new chances. I'm currently listening to a recap of the CMA 2021. So now I'm gonna enjoy assembling some American steel horsepowers. So today I'm going to check the connecting rod bearings and the main cap bearings and see, well, I'm going to change them because I bought new one, but I will check the clearance with these small, I will show you. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so I got a little bit carried away, but I've chosen the piston on the crankshaft which is the furthest back, and I will call it the number 8 connecting rod. I fitted a new bearing on the rod side. It's dry, not oil or anything. And then I have also fitted a new bearing on the the cap side, I think it's called. But there is some differences in these blocks, and that's the connecting rod second design, because there is two different torque values, and the difference is, I don't know if you can see it, but the bolt has a sign in the middle, and then you can see there are two holes on each side of it. It's not easy to see, but there is two. On the first edition there is only one. So then I need to use the torque for the second design. And the bearing clearance tool is this plast gauge, as you can see here. I will put that in between the bearing and the crankshaft and torque it up and disassembly and measure the plast gauge afterwards. Okay, so now you can see it a little bit better. Now I take the package and I can use this one to measure it, and then I can see that it is 0.02 of an inch. 0.03 is okay. If I check in millimeters, that's more accurate for me. And then it is 0.76, 0.51. It's closer to 0.51. Okay. Then I will check the. I think that's an okay result, but I have to check the manual. Okay guys, so quick trip on the big old interweb, and I found out that they recommend bearing clearings between 0.020 and 225. And I think it on original engine it's maximum 0.075. So we are good to go. So I will just check on a few more, maybe mid-engine or something, and then I will just change all of the bearings and return to the main caps afterwards. Okay guys, so I didn't check any clearance on the rest of the connecting rods because they look absolutely gorgeous. So it's time to move on to the main caps. Maybe tomorrow or today. Or yes, it's in the middle of the night. Okay, so new battery. I have measured some bearing clearance. Put in new bearings beneath and new bearings in here, and I have measured the bearing clearance. Everything is good to go, so I will now just put the main caps on and torque them up and go to the next point. I don't know which that is, but we'll find out. bottom end is done. So I was thinking about changing the springs and get this ready to mount, and also get in a new cam and the lifters and all that. But I look at some things, and this plate here is the one that locks in the camshaft. So this has a very bad sealing, and I've also looked over some of my other sealings, so I think I have to order some new ones. So I have to stop for a little while, and also my tool to change these springs is in another workshop, so I have to go get them tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so I've made a decision. I'm going to wait with everything on the engine until I get new gaskets for the whole damn engine. It's too much at stake, so too much money at stake, so I don't want to take any shortcuts. So I won't even be changing the springs, because I want to change the valve sealings beneath. So everything's on hold until I get the new gasket kit from US. So that means that it is going to be quiet here for a while. This is the problem with not being a professional builder, because there's always something new that you don't think of. But I have been trying to think, so I have a lot of parts which arrived for almost a year ago. So let's see what's here. Stop wire for the battery switch and sticker as well. I now finally bought myself some driving gloves. Can't wait to clutch kick these. This will be a lovely time to say thank you, Sparko, but my money. So this is from I don't know how to say it, but the fmic.u performance. I got keychains. Several keychains. They deliver everything you need in silicone hoses and that sort of thing. Okay, so I got this new cylinder for my e-brake fluid reservoir. Yay! Stickers. So it's a GR spec race radiator for E46. This one I'm really concerned about actually, because I'm going to try to run a front cooling on the car, not a rear, so let's hope it works. Okay guys, that's all for this week, for this episode. Maybe next week, maybe 2 weeks, I don't know. But if you like this kind of videos, please subscribe, comment below, share all the good bits, and I'll see you on the next one.